control your phone from another phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So in this video, I will teach you how to control another Android phone with your phone. To do so, you will have to install an application called AirDroid, which is easily available in your Play Store. So simply search for AirDroid. So this is the app you would be looking for. Simply install this app and launch it. Do all the things that it says. And after installing, as you can see in this manual, you will be able to manage other device using your device. You can also check and reply to phone notifications on your computer if you connect your computer and your phone. And there are several other features as well. You just have to connect both devices and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.